What is going on, everybody? Your boy Got Destruction bringing another reaction video, and today we are bringing you the defibrillator for Animals on Crack. That's right, you guys like the High School X I don't know what it was called, but you guys enjoyed the defibrillator and its content, and I enjoyed it as well, so I thought, why not do another reaction video? So I chose the Animals on Crack. There's a bunch of more that I'm going to be doing, but I just wanted to get this one because this one was pretty cool. And also, for the gaming video, I do apologize for the Pokemon Duel Part 8 for ending the video in a hurry. It's just, you know, my baby called me and I gotta make sure she's okay. But everything's alright, so I apologize for that. But don't worry, guys. We'll get some more Pokemon duels on that. And anyways, let's get to the video. The original video is in the link description down below. Let's get it. Really? The Illuminati? Swear.
You pick me up, then you put me down. Can't seem to find
That's a really cool bird.
See what you think.
I heard that's true. The cats follow the laser pointer.
Everyone tries to make it out. Yippee-ki-yay, motherfucker.
That cat's a savage. What kind of drug do they put in their dog's food? Let's see when I got the octopus. It's kind of cool, actually. What kind of fucking bugs are those? Those are cowboys. Damn.
I am the one that when your son don't need the guns to get respect up on the street.
Dude, ants are so fucking creepy.
It's a nice day, baby. Take your top off, come to the right bay.
Yeah. I think it's like the spider's mating call, isn't it? The little mouse is just like eating and chilling. The gate's open! Now they don't want to bark at each other? What is this? That's cool, the monkey can flip and thing.
Everybody in the club right now! What's up?
Really?
look at someone and wonder what is going on inside their head.
Apparently nothing. That's funny.
This time for Africa.
I want that as my ringtone. That's pretty cool, actually.
Shut the fuck up!
It's funny. Cats are smarter than you think. Final countdown. Oh my god. That's cute, man. What is that? It's a porcupine, right?
I'm a bird, motherfucker. I'm a bird. Look at me, motherfucker. I'm a bird. I'm a bird, motherfucker. I'm a bird. Look at me. In Dublin's Christmas, you were a good ass, a pretty eye person. My eyes on sweet Molly Malone. She waved her with birds with trees, bird and Mary crying cockles and mussels, alive, alive.
That's just like a dick thing to do. You know the dog owns the crib when he does that.
But sometimes more unexpected sounds grab our attention. Like this desert rain frog.
Such a dog. Bro. It's funny.
Why don't you leave me alone? Why don't you answer?
So that's what's good right now. Hamsters
I
are
got no
good.
clue what to go.
That's actually a pretty cool bird. That's a cool dog. Laugh with you. Oh my god.
You can't touch this.
It's pretty accurate. You go to a dubstep rave, it's pretty much what you do. Oh my god. Really? The Ray War? Ray clones? How's the dog fall? This is a bounce?
They've probably been training it for 20 fucking years, I'd say. It has got to be one of the most intelligent creatures in the world.
Damn!
Pick another, pick a brain, pussy back, pick another, pick a brain, pussy back.
Oh my gosh.
What's going on?
German Shepherds
I
are
don't get
cool
it.
dogs.
Man, I gotta work out. What's going on here?
Where am I? What the... Huh? What the hell's going on here?
So gross. For reals. Ow, I swear. It's a creepy looking cat. I remember when I saw this commercial. Good job. Oh my goodness. You can hear me in the background. That's how surprised I was.
We need a doctor.
Defibrillator is freaking funny as hell. And I do not know why in the last one there was apparently a three-way happening with those dogs. What the hell? But, you know, random shit happens apparently. Anyways, if you guys did enjoy this content, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and a comment down below. Honestly, it was hilarious, and I'm going to do some more defibrillators. So definitely stay tuned to that, guys, and we'll see you guys on the next video. Make sure to subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video. Peace.